Hello everyone, welcome back in another video. It's me, Maximilian, coming up with the next video. This time I would like to show you another very cool agent besides Finalize, which got hacked recently, which is called Hoobuy. So on Hoobuy, just like on Finalize, you can purchase any items from China. And as you can see, the shipping is much cheaper for new users. Sign up. You can get up to 148.57 US dollars in coupons, so that's really interesting. Last time I showed you the Hoobuy and how you can buy products on Hoobuy. This time I would like to show you the quality pictures of some items when they arrive in the warehouse. So let me show you real quick how it all looks like. So here we go. Once you just purchase these products, you want to hover your user icon, which is here, and then you have the warehouse and this icon. So let's click on this. And this is how it goes. Obviously you select the products first, then you have to submit your orders, pay for the international shipping, wait for the receipt, and wait till your products get delivered. And this is how it goes. Here, as you can see, is my order. You can just click right away this link. And now, as you can see, you've got your free photos, the QC pictures, where you can just check if the quality is good, if everything is all right. So let me show you really quick how it all looks like. You just click on the link. It shows you here the weight of the product, the codes and different dates, and how everything looks like. So you've got your shoes on the left side, and here, as you can see, is the box. So that looks cool. Let me show you really quick how it all looks like. The shoes, they're all beautiful. And you can even scan this QR code for purchasing this product. So yeah, as you can see, it's just loading up my website, and yeah, I can just purchase this product. So it's so nice, so convenient to use. I really like it. Much better than Finalize. Now you've got to select this product and you can actually submit your order. So let me just click on submit my order, and now I can just do the packaging. I can remove the tags, remove the packaging if I want to save some space for the shipping. And yeah, I can use the older packaging like carton if I want to, or the simple packaging. It's all free, so there's no additional cost in it. You can add some bubble wrap, vacuum bag, moisture bag if you want to. So it's so cool. And as you can see, the really fast and secure shipping of DHL is just 15.13 US dollars. As for the shoes, so that's really nice. And it takes like 7 up to 13 days to arrive. So it's really good. I never actually had any complaints with that. Let's select this. Now you've got to declare the value. So let me declare $5. Now we can actually use the coupons to bring down the shipping to even lower values. As you can see, the shipping is just 13.65 US dollars, and we can just submit our parcel. So let's submit it. That's it. That's for today's video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section down below. I will answer you for sure. And yeah, don't forget to just sign up to Hoobuy because it's so nice, so good, and I just like the service a lot. See you soon. Bye.